Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect hydrating hair mask, you've got to try this one out by Verb. I love it. So this mask is amazing. There's a ton of reasons why I love it. You can see that it's super rich and super thick. I have really dry, curly hair, and so I need something that's going to hydrate it, but at the same time, the actual strands are thin, and I need something that's not going to weigh it down. And this mask does exactly that. So before I shower, I'll add it into damp hair and I'll run it through my hair, and then I'll put my hair up into a bun and I'll leave it in my hair for about an hour or 2 hours, sometimes even overnight, and then I will wash it out and just wash my hair like I normally would. This mask leaves my hair smelling super clean and fresh. I really love the smell, but it's not overpowering. I don't like crazy perfumey smelling things, so I would recommend this. I think it's really nice. I like that it doesn't weigh my hair down or make it greasy, but it definitely helps to nourish it. So if you're looking for the perfect hydrating hair mask, check this one out. I think it's amazing, and that's my point of view.